welcome to my channel once again. In case you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining. If you're a returning subscriber, you are so much welcomed back. So today we shall be viewing a mansionette in this estate right here. It's such a nice, lovely estate. It's so calm. It's a gated estate, and as you can see, the houses here are so beautiful, and so is this 4-bedroom mansionette. So hit the subscribe button and let's begin. Big as this mansion looks like, there are 2 houses in here. Therefore, let's have a look at the left wing. Apart from the quality door that we have, there's a doorbell at the entrance. We have the living room. It's quite spacious, and not forgetting you also have the dining area right there. You guys can notice the nice flooring in this room. The chandelier in the living room has a vintage theme to it. That's together with the wall sconces right here. You can see they both have the same theme. As if that's enough, guys, we also have the down lights here all over the living room. Therefore, it must be looking really dope at night. Let's now have a look at the dining and the kitchen area. So we have this kitchen right here. I don't know whether to call it open plan or which one is it. Comment down below. From the dining room, you can see that the living space is quite spacious. It has 2 double sockets, and you also have these wall cabinets right here. But before we go to the kitchen, opposite the dining area, we have this washroom. I'm sure you guys can't notice the light, but that wall scone up there is the light, and this is how the tiling and the toilet look like. So now let's go to the final room of this floor, which is the kitchen. Remember, this house has 2 floors. It's so big, you guys. So the kitchen is well furnished. You have the cabinets, the place for the stove or the gas cooker. You have a double sink right here. Plus the kitchen has this 1, 2, and 3 double sockets. Have a pantry which also has a double socket. Outside the kitchen we have the SQ, which is such a small room. So this is how it looks like. There's a shelf right there, there's a single double socket, and you have the washroom. place, I would say the DSQ can be functional in many ways, more so especially when you are hosting guests or just having a barbecue. There's also this perimeter wall which has electric fence. Let's go upstairs. This mansion has 3 bedrooms in the first floor and all of them are en suite. Therefore, we have these 2 right here next to each other. The other one is found at the other end of the house. So these bedrooms, they differ. All of them differ in one way or another. For example, this first bedroom here, you can see the lighting is not that good. You have a single double socket, you have your closet, and as I've said, all bedrooms are en suite. The flooring here is just same as the one that you have seen in the living room. So the second bedroom has this small corridor, and afterwards you can see that it has a balcony and there is more light as compared to the first bedroom that we have seen. The flooring is also different as compared to the first bedroom. However, I think they're just the same colors but different shades. The size of this closet is same as the one we have seen in the first bedroom, and therefore the main differences here are in terms of this one having a balcony, the type of flooring, and the amount of light being let in the room. The balcony in this bedroom overlooks the USIU, and you have these nice views of the campus. This is an awesome place to host your guests or just chill as you take your whiskey and enjoy the sunset. It's such a calm place, therefore you'll have this peace of mind also as you look at the surrounding neighborhood. The next 2 bedrooms are my favorite, and you guys will just tell me which one you'll choose between them. You guys, check out this closet. It's much bigger, the room is well lit, and it's quite spacious. And wait, I have not shown you the real deal in this room. Here we go. One thing that makes this bathroom stand out is this jacuzzi, and that's not all. The bathroom is also quite spacious, and therefore you have there your toilet, the sink, and the vanity. The wall details and color also add a different vibe to the space, and also the floor, it matches with the color of the wall, which is gray. I like white and gray because they bring such a clean modern look to the interior of a house or an apartment, and that's why you'll find that most of the modern houses, they make use of these 2 colors to just bring out the exquisite and nice look of the space. this bedroom. So lastly, we shall go to this other room at the attic. Before we go upstairs again, there's a laundry area here, so you have a double socket and this small space with a tap. Right next to the stairs, there's this space right here with a double socket in case you want this space to be functional in a way. In this floor, there are two rooms, the bedroom and the play area stroke the TV room. This room here can be functional in several ways. You can use it as a kids play area or a library or a TV room, just what you want it to be, and it overlooks the veranda just outside, which we'll see in a moment. I've come across several bedrooms, but this one, it's a huge one. Have a look at it. So actually I think the camera is not even doing any justice to how big this room is. Therefore you have there your closet, even though this closet is a bit smaller than the one we have seen in the previous bedroom. And this is basically how big this bedroom is. It can fit 2 king-size beds. Yeah, that's how big it is. The window here overlooks USIU, but I also feel like a bigger window could do justice to this room. If you think so too, give this video a thumbs up. You guys, check out the bathroom. It's a medium-sized bathroom. It's smaller than the one that we have seen in the other bedroom, but bigger than the first 2 bedrooms that we had viewed. In as much as it doesn't have a jacuzzi, it has a toilet, a sink. This sink doesn't have a vanity as compared to all the other bedrooms. And as you can see, there's the shower area right there. So which bedroom would you prefer among those 4 bedrooms? Personally, I'd sacrifice space and choose the jacuzzi one because it's just fun having a jacuzzi in your bedroom, you know. So let me know. Comment down below, which one would you choose? The one with the jacuzzi, this one with a spacious bedroom, or the one with a balcony? Finally, there's the general balcony that can be accessed by anyone. It's found here at the attic at the topmost floor, and this is how it looks like. Once you come outside, these are the views that you shall get from your balcony. Balcony is huge enough, and there's a lot that you can do with this space. Maybe just have a chill area right here, barbecue, you know, as you enjoy the views of the surrounding neighborhood. Remember, this is a gated estate, therefore the place is so calm, you don't have a lot of noise. Another thing to take into consideration is the location of this house. So from here you'll have access to general infrastructure such as the TRM. It's just nearby. You can just walk 5 to 10 minutes. There's a Safari Park Hotel. There's also the Thika superhighway. Therefore, from here to Nairobi CBD will take from 20 to 30 minutes if there's no traffic. What do you guys think about this mansion? Share your comments below. That's all I have for you guys today. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Y'all, don't leave yet. Hit that subscribe button so that I can see you in my next vlogs and so that you don't miss on such vlogs to come. Therefore, yeah, have a good day, have a good night, have a lovely weekend, have a good week. Bye. Can I get to? It has mint and I don't know what's this white one, the name of this white one. So the green one is mint. So and this is how the mall looks like.